Welcome. In front of me I have Apple Watch Series 11 and I'm gonna show you how to turn off this watch. To turn off this watch we need to press and hold the lower button right here, the side button, and keep holding it until the power menu appears on the screen. Once the menu appears, maybe not power, it's the emergency menu, my bad. Once the menu appears, you will see this power off icon right here in the top right corner. You can tap on it. And then once this slider appears, you can press and hold on the power button and then slide it to the right side of the screen. And once you release it, the watch will turn off. And that's how you turn off this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.